Another bridge. Oh god. Oh my god, the rock, man. Look at the rock. I've got the water it's off. And my rain sack on my back, on my pack and all that. And all of a sudden, the rain comes out again. The wind is that windy, it's blowing the fucking clouds back over, so yeah. I put my back on, but I can't be arsed fucking rummaging through for my waterproof pants, but I've got some dry shorts in my bag anyway when I get to Fort William. Oh my god. So the clouds are disappearing and the sun's coming out, which is grand because yeah, fuck hell. And that's where I'm going, right over there. Jesus Christ. Yeah, you can see path there. Anyway, I'm glad the clouds are going and the sun's coming out because there's going to be some spectacular views coming up. This will be coming into Glencoe now, so oh man, I woke up sore this morning again. Off we go on the rocky old road. Look at them boulders there. Huge.